Hey, if you have the phone calls issue with your Redmi Buds 3 Lite, first of all, you just have to open the Bluetooth settings on your device and just be sure that when you click on the settings icon, the phone calls are enabled just right here. So when I click like this, as you can see right now, I can probably make the calls. But if you still have this issue and you cannot make the phone calls, receive phone calls, or answer the calls with the gestures, just input both earbuds inside the charging case. And you have to take a look closely because right here we can find small indicators on the both earbuds. And we just have to click and hold on the both earbuds when they are in the charging case, like this. And now just wait until this indicator starts blinking. So keep holding. There we go. As you can see right now, it was blinking 3 times. So release. And now we successfully perform the hard reset of these earbuds. So get rid of this previously connection. Now restart the Bluetooth on your device. And go to the Redmi Buds 3 Lite, pair them one more time, accept the pairing. And now you can tell me if it works for you. And please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.